Hey yo, YouTube. It's the motto, as you know, big dog. So like today I'm gonna be installing some mud flaps and a chin spoiler that I bought from a Tridgeville. Some other guy was selling them on the street. So like I just bought mud flaps and a chin spoiler for the car. Just want a little bit more aesthetics, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah guys, so like here they are. This is for the back and these ones are for the front. Bram vindig social media. These are for the back and these are for the fronts. And this is the chin spoiler. It's a two-piece. Two-piece chin spoiler. Let me just open it up for you. This guy's got a chan. It's a two-piece chin spoiler. Two-piece. Gonna just clip on right there. Yeah. So like yeah, let's get into it. Maybe I'm gonna polish up the tires because I gave it a wash yesterday. Maybe also install this side piece because I have this side piece. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing today. And maybe and I tried smashing the car, the windows. Hey, that's one tedious job. So another day. Guys, the set came with these screws. I think they used for the back. You can use a star or a flat screwdriver just to screw them in. So like, let's go and screw the right one right now. So like, as I was trying to size up everything, it looks like this car had this mud flap before because I can see the screws here. And lucky for me, the top screw lines up perfectly. I don't think if you can see that. There's the hole at the back and there's the hole in front. So like, I think it will be okay and it will make a perfect sealant in a way. But there's no, I don't know if I need a cover here at the back or what, guys, because there's like a gap there at the mud flap. Is it supposed to be like that? Please tell me in the comments. But from the back side, I think it looks okay. Let me just put this in. All I used to install the rear mud flap was this star screwdriver. As you can see, it's finished. This thing brutalized. Where is the camera that's not a focus? Yeah guys, so I'm done installing one. I just held it here on the bump on top. I don't know if it's a good thing, but hey, whatever works. And then I also placed it on the bottom plastic trim. I placed the other one there, but otherwise I think it's a good fitment. It's kind of perfect now. As you can see, this bump here, it aligns perfectly, as you can see. Yeah, 3 more to go. As you can see, guys, done at the install, and it was quite fast, like 5 minutes, bro. Flush. Also, this side is kind of flush, you know what I mean? I'm gonna post maybe add a video at the end of this video showing y'all maybe outside when I'm taking it for a drive later. I'm gonna show y'all the stance and everything. Yeah guys, so like now moving on to the front, I'm gonna take out this star screwdriver right here, and I don't know if you can see it, but this one right here, it's an Allen screw. So I think, okay, this is a bit smaller. I'm gonna get a bigger one, a T30 maybe. I gotta remove this screw, remove that screw, then the mud flap is gonna sit like this. Then the mud flap is gonna sit like this for that perfect fitment, you know what I'm saying? But I think I have to make some modifications to the mud flap here so that it can fit. Maybe I'm gonna cut a little bit of trim, excess trim off, just to make it sit flush. Oh, okay, there's it. Yeah, I don't want to do no car in, you see, because I'm gonna also put in a side skirt, a VR6 side skirt, so I think maybe it's gonna cover up everything. So yeah, let me get to it. Yeah guys, so I got this screw out. There's it. It's a Allen key. That's for that screw right there. And then here it was using this black self-taping with a washer. I think I'm gonna go to the silver ones just to match that aesthetic there, that silverness back there. I think that silverness is kind of dope, so I was thinking of implementing it also here, right there, right there. So like, let me just do that finger thing, and there you have it guys, installed. Yeah guys, so let me just do a quick one this side. Yeah guys, so like, done with the installation. Yeah, I'm done. So now I'm moving on to the front spoiler. Front spoiler guys, I think you just have to like pull it out. Yeah, didn't even use force, you saw that. Extremely easy guys, just like pull it out. I think, yep, just pull it out guys. Some more true. Ich floppe die cheese, got that. Yeah guys, see it's kind of dirty up there. Just pulled out this chin spoiler. Just pulling it out, just pulled it out. It's relatively easy, hey?